Good evening and welcome to this MCG special. Iowa floods. What? That.
Jesus Christ.
Told you this was gonna be bad.
Of causing Parker Burt. I'm gonna shoot myself. 2008 through statistics. Ah! You can't do that because I was looking down.
Okay.
I'm sorry, there were bugs. They were too funny.
It's hot. For what?
Jake, don't stop! Don't stop!
I was I'm sorry. Clow, Musco, Hy-Vee, and Walmart all put.
Wow, this kind of makes me want to shoot you in the face.
Hey.
Jake, it would have sounded fine if you would have just
No,
not been like, oh my god!
No.
Count down and you're gonna do it.
Okay. I don't know.
Just go.
Good. Special.
Start over.
Okay.
While the city of Oskaloosa managed.
No, I wasn't ready.
Okay.
Do this.
Yes, we can.
I know we can.
We are going
it's just
to.
We can't. You know.
I want to cry.
Good evening.
No, don't. Find your zen.
Zen is not real. I feel like a cow. Road closings weren't the only problems faced during the floods of 2008.
Good start.
I'm not going to be able to do this with you dancing in the background.
I don't know, but there's a bug in my ear. Yeah.
Yeah!
God!
That is awesome. Do you want to do it?
Good, I agree.
What if you want to take all the credit? I mean, that's
No,
cool.
no, that was third try.
can-
Third time's a
you
charm.
can-
Third's my favorite number. You know that.
What? No.
Spots of worry due to the rapidly rising waters as well.
You just
The Des
stay
Moines
there.
Waterworks building declared their water safe and secure.
To those. Wow, that I slaughtered that line.
We screwed that up. Yes.
Of course, we would do it at Edmonton, the place that makes me so mad.
Why?
Disc golf. Oh my god. Ugh.
Go along with this. God.
I'm trying to sound informative, but it's cool.
Current, man, mother, all right. Area, man, I was all the way through it. I just had the Des Moines River. Nope. Oh, I had it. I had it. I had that. Yeah.
Put it. Try this.
No.
Okay.
Reed Stevens.
On June 11th, the following day, wait, shit.
God damn it.
Fuck! On the following, fuck.
Oh.
Fuck!
On Oskaloosa's wildlife. Okay, we got farther.
I'm sorry. God damn it. Son of a bitch.